everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas. Hope you all are having an awesome day. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my husband Alexander McQueen sneakers from Neiman's. It came with an extra pair of black laces. It is the men bicolor black and white sneaker. That's the side, the bottom, and the back. And our baby son already have a pair just like these. And my husband and our baby son has the same style and taste, so I know it wouldn't be long before he wants this particular pair. If you have a pair of these Alexander McQueen sneakers, let me know in the comment section if you like them, if they're comfortable, what you like about them, what you don't like about them. There you have it. And also, everyone was asking me about a previous unboxing of my shoes. Well, I'm wearing them today, and there's the Christian Louboutin sneakers, and they are very comfortable. This is the side view. And there you have it, the men Alexander McQueen bicolor black and white sneaker. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Set your notification to be notified when I post a new video. I hope you enjoy the remaining of your day. See you in the next video. Bye.
Da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.